So you actually look cute.
Are you being serious?
I'm being dead serious.
Wait, come here, let me actually see how the lights are.
I mean, I'm ugly, so it wouldn't be the same.
Oh, that's actually good lighting. Wow, okay, cool.
Hi everybody, I'm back from 3 days in isolation. I didn't actually do anything for those 3 days, but Cindy and I are gonna run through what we have done on our bucket list. Cindy, come on. This is your job. This is your one job. You're not cooking, you're reading the bucket list. So read your bucket list first and say what you have done.
Okay, I have none.
Somebody has successfully accomplished nothing on her bucket list. Well, to be fair, I've done weekly videos as of yet. I was supposed to write down that I wanted to be able to make local dishes. Like curry, yam, jollof rice, stuff like that.
You can't say the names in Igbo.
What else? Say jollof rice.
Rice. Then osikapa.
Osikapa. What?
Huh?
I want to be able to make osikapa. Agua. Ofe, yes. And yeah. But today we have eggs for you, even though that's not really a traditional Nigerian dish.
This is just a fun little twist.
This is just a fun little twist. Yes. Okay. Somebody's not actually cooking. She's just gonna be my helper. So we have 3 ingredients right here. That's it.
What you're teaching people how to make.
We're not teaching them how to make eggs.
It's just a fun little vlog.
It's just a fun little vlog. Somebody, can you get out the pan?
Whoa.
You're not cooking. You're just helping.
You're stretching it.
You're stretching it. You're moving mad. Surprisingly, they're not making me cry, and usually the onions make me cry. There we go.
Prince Charles?
Prince Charles. So we've done with the onions. Now we're moving on to the garlic.
We've done with the onions.
We've done with the onions. And now we're moving on to the garlic. So watch and learn, baby. It looks so spastic. I swear I know how to cut garlic. It's just I'm camera shy. My fingers are camera shy.
That does not look fine at all. That does not look fine at all.
I'm cutting them fine. You don't need to give your commentary. You're not cooking, mate.
But I thought you needed me here to give commentary.
Okay, fine. So
right now,
all
are sweating profusely over the onions.
I am sweating.
A lot of blood, sweat, and tears have gone into this.
All right. I said give me commentary. Like, how am I doing?
Oh,
like, I don't need you to be a commentator.
She's doing great, guys.
I said give me commentary. I didn't say give the camera commentary.
You're doing great.
If you want to cut garlic finely, you can just slice down the middle, slice, and then. If I had a cutting board, I'd be on my way with this, but I don't. So I do. But yeah, I would be. So you don't need to say that because I would be. Take off my glasses for me. Take off my glasses for me.
What's the magic word?
Take off my glasses.
What's the magic word?
Please. Did you wash your hands before you watch this video?
Your hands are dirty, pig.
Dirty pig. Okay, whatever. We're done with the garlic. I'm gonna go quickly wash my hands so I can get a new bowl for the tomato, because we can't put the tomato and the garlic in the same bowl because the tomato cooks much slower than the garlic and the onions. Put them on right now.
Oh, please.
When you're on camera, you have to be wearing the Easter glasses.
Okay, fine.
Okay, now this part is really simple. It doesn't really matter if it's
Why are you shouting at the camera?
I'm not shouting at the camera. I want the camera to hear me. Alright, so this, anyway, I was telling you, this doesn't really need to be that neat. You can just slice on your way, you know what I mean? It's really this easy, guys. You just need to chop.
Where's the microphone here so I can do ASMR straight into it?
Cindy, please don't do that. They would not appreciate that. Cindy, please, I'm begging you, don't do that. You'll render all this footage unusable.
It's a bit of a messy one, isn't it?
It is quite messy. It is quite messy, but you have to be ready to get down into the gritty of things. Well, if I see any bits that I think are a bit too big, I'll come back and I'll chop them up a bit finer. But this is pretty much all you have to do for the tomatoes.
Hello.
Come and see.
You go. I'll let you guys have first bite.
That's right there. This is right here. I'm gonna go wash. Look at me. I'm gonna go wash my hands really quickly, and then I'll be back here in about 3 minutes to show you some more. Okay, I'm about to put a little bit of oil in the pan. Mummy, I know how much to use.
How much to use? You know how much to use.
Okay.
I don't know. I just kind of add as I go on. I don't know how much I use.
It's tiny. Use your brain.
We're just gonna add a little bit of oil. I think think that's a little bit too little. Mommy, this is a bit too small, right? I mean,
No, just
gonna go check with Mommy. I'm gonna add a bit more and then I'll go check. My mother has just informed me that I actually need double the amount of oil that I already have, so I'm just gonna...
Oh.
Well, we'll turn on the stove again and then we'll put it at 5.
And we have to put 2 ounces of mango dream.
And then look, we just add the tomatoes to the oil. Quite simple, actually. The oil doesn't even have to be hot, mate. It doesn't even have to be hot. Okay. What does it?
What are you?
An idiot sandwich.
Hi, we're back again. The tomatoes, they're doing pretty good. They don't look good, but they're doing good. And now we're about to crack some eggs in this bowl. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Look.
I actually didn't get that on camera, so no, I'm joking.
Tanisha, put on the Easter glasses if you want to be on camera. Put them on.
Oh, that was aggressive. Okay, you remember you cracked them so aggressively. You know you're not even supposed to crack. You're supposed to crack it on a flat surface. You know that, right?
Why?
That's just how you're supposed to crack eggs.
I honestly couldn't look at those.
That's what happens when you don't know how to crack an egg. That's what happens when you don't know how to crack an egg.
Off camera. Look, okay, we have the eggs in here in this little yogurt bowl. Now we're gonna whisk a squish. I'm gonna put a little bit of what's it called in here as well. Pepper. I'll put a little bit of what's it called salt as well. We're gonna put a little bit of salt in there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna put a little bit of Maggi.
Imagine being David Dobrik, having to edit hours on hours of videos.
Then you have to be David Dobrik to do that, so. Never.
And then getting it up to 4 minutes 21 seconds every single time.
Up.
4 minutes 20 seconds. No, for your first video, you should have showed that video of David being like, if you want to start a new channel, start it.
I was gonna.
Where's the flavor in this? There's no flavor.
Okay, we're gonna add the eggs. We're gonna add the onions to the tomatoes. Mommy, we're gonna add the onions to the tomatoes now.
You're supposed to fry the onions first. Oh. It's gonna be on the fire for a long time.
I got the instructions wrong. I thought we were supposed to do it the other way around.
We're just trying to develop flavor.
There we go. You can see it now. We've gone and messed up, yeah? And we've added the tomatoes before we added the onions. We've gone and messed up and you didn't even tell me we'd messed up. Nice.
Because I told you I wasn't doing nothing. I wasn't doing nothing.
Nothing. I added a little bit of pepper. You might be able to see that it's kind of a darker color because I added some Nigerian spices and it's gonna taste really good because of it. Can't really, look at me. You can't really overcook tomato. That's why it's been in the pan for so long.
Gordon Ramsay would disagree.
What are you?
An idiot sandwich.
The tomatoes are basically ready. We're gonna add we're gonna add the eggs now. Yeah, we're gonna add the eggs now. Do you hear that? It's gone quiet. Okay guys, so we're done with the eggs. This is how they turned out. This is how the food looks. Ignore the plantain, it doesn't normally look like that. But yeah, I'm gonna try it.
1 hour later.
I don't know what you're about to do.
Okay, I'm about to prank.
He'll be quick, he'll be quick, he'll be quick.
So I'm about to make her crack my neck. But I have dried pasta in my mouth, so I'm gonna crunch on it at the same time. And it's going to break my neck.
Okay, good.
I don't know how to do it. I want to tell people that do it.
Please, just do it.
I've never done it before.
I'm just trying.
Eh?
Just what's it called? I don't know. Simi, how do you want me to do
You're
it?
telling me to do it.
Okay. Okay, Simi, come here, let me try. Simi, come, let me try. Let me try. Okay. Okay, wait, how do you want it? Is it this side that hurts or this side that hurts?
Kneel down, let me see.
Did you even hear the crunch?
Let me try.
Happy.
No!
Or guinea quani chori come to get happy.
I like
like that laugh.
Next time Ola and Simbi perform very popular TikTok dances.